Hi everyone, and welcome to the Unity Editor Basics tutorials. So in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the file option, which is part of the menu bar. Now, the menu bar is right below the title bar, which we talked about in the first tutorial. So the menu bar has all these options: file, edit, assets, game object, component, window, and help. So in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about file. Okay. Now, the file option is concerned with options like opening an existing scene or creating a new scene. You can also save your projects with the save and save as options. So you can, it also has keyboard shortcuts, so Control S and then Control plus Shift plus S if you want to save your project under a different name, maybe because you've made some new changes. Okay. And then we have these options to open a new project. So it's going to, create a new project. So it's going to open up this window for me. Or you can open an existing project, which opens up Unity Hub. And then you can choose what existing project you want to open. And then you have this option to save your project. Now, file also has, you can also navigate to the build settings from here. And if you remember from the previous tutorial, build refers to the file, so .exe or .apk, etc., that you get when you convert your project to a product. So we can build for PC, Mac or Linux, Android, iOS, Xbox, WebGL, and so on. Now, if you want to build a particular scene, you can do so by adding the current open scenes by clicking on this button here, which says Add Open Scenes. So I've already added my current open scene. Now, a scene is also called a game level, and scenes essentially contain the objects of your game. So suppose you're creating a start menu at the beginning of your game. That's going to be a separate scene. So think of each unique scene as a unique level, and in each scene you will place your environments, obstacles, essentially designing and building your game in pieces. Now I can click on build here, and it's going to build the current open scene for me, and I'm just going to build it here in my F drive. So it's going to take a while and should be done soon. Okay, so now I can navigate to my folder where I built my scene, and you see I have this .exe file, okay, because I'm building for PC, Mac, and Linux. Now if I double click on it, it's going to open up my game, and there you go. For this tutorial, go ahead and hit like and subscribe if you found this useful.